Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Winglish. So in today's video I am going to discuss about the most commonly asked question, that is how to introduce yourself in English. Now this question, that is tell me about yourself, is asked in every interview or whenever you get promoted into your new class. So before going further, we need to understand what is the term self introduction. Now, it is simply the act of introducing yourself to someone else. In self introduction, we explain who we are, what we do, or what the other person needs to know about us. You might be introducing yourself to a new person you've never met before, or you might be introducing yourself in front of a class, or in a meeting, or in an event. Introducing yourself is much more than saying your name. It just does not include your name, it includes more than that. You do not say, "Hi, I am Manpreet," and that's it. The other person wants to know more about you. So you need to tell some more information about yourself in English. Now, I am going to tell you some general tips that you can use while self introducing yourself in front of the person. Number one is state who you are clearly. You need to be clear, you need to be calm whenever you are introducing yourself. Try not to mumble or be nervous, else the person will not be interested in you. Number two is be friendly. Saying something like, "Hi there, I am Manpreet," with a smile, as you know, a smile says a lot about you. In formal meetings, you might require to use proper English or good vocabulary, but in informal meetings, you can use simple English. Number three is it is always best to stand. You must have noticed whenever there is a self introduction, whether it is in meetings or in the class, we tend to stand and then introduce ourselves. So that is, it is often seen as a polite gesture or thing to do so. Number four is know your audience. You need to maintain interest between you and the audience. You must keep in mind who are you introducing yourself to. If it's a family gathering or it's a friendly meeting, then you can use simple English. But if it's an office meeting or a formal event, you need to use proper English. Now, here are some tips that students can use while introducing themselves in a class. Number one is be prepared. So, be prepared here means you should know what you're going to say in self introduction in front of the class. Number two is smile. You should smile throughout your introduction, that maintains trust. Number three is look around in the class. Now, looking around, making an eye contact with the audience also is a way to maintain trust between you and the audience. Now, here are some examples for the same. First one is, "I am Manpreet. I am 10 years old. I am from Delhi. I like watching movies, play basketball on weekends. I am into reading novels," and so on. There is another example that you can use, that is, "It's my pleasure to talk and introduce myself. Well, I was born in Himachal and grew up in Anandpur. I did my schooling at Little Flower Montessori English Medium High School," and so on. Now, next, I'm going to give you some tips for people who have been asked this question. Number one is a firm handshake. So, a handshake with a friendly smile before an intro in an interview is the best. Number two is listen. This is very important. You need to be a good listener. Listen with concentration so that you can answer about yourself correctly. Number three is do not interrupt in between. Now, here interruption means whenever we get nervous during an interview, we tend to mumble, which leads to unsuccessful interview. So, do not interrupt, be calm, be clear while introducing yourself. Now, here are some examples that we are going to discuss. Number one is, Hi, I am Aisha. I am from Bangalore. I completed my BCom honors from Christ College, Bangalore in 2018. I love playing basketball and have represented my school in many competitions. My active participation in sports has taught me many skills, and so on. There is another example that you can use, that is, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Sunil from Delhi. Currently, I am pursuing my final year electronics and communication engineering from Mary College of Engineering Tech with an aggregate of 79%, and so on. I hope the video was helpful to you, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye and take care.